So you're looking for a new bidet. Congrats. But what's so amazing about HelloTushy's brand spanking new electric bidet models, Cloud and Cloud Plus? You can bet your ass you're about to find out. Both Cloud and Cloud Plus by TUSHY are going to elevate your bathroom experience to sky-high comfort, just like the name promises. By the way, I'm Monica. I grew up in Japan, in the land of bidets, and you're gonna see a lot more of me on this channel. Okay, say hello to Cloud by TUSHY, the essential e-bidet. Cloud is an electric bidet seat that fully replaces your pre-existing toilet seat. It has a performance console that features an ergonomic heated seat, instant warm water with 4 thermal settings that never run cold, rear wash and front wash options, and a warm air dryer to finish with 4 levels of luxuriously heated airflow. I'll talk about installation in a bit. One reason why I love Cloud by TUSHY is its soft close lid and seat. I cannot tell you how many times I've accidentally slammed the seat. It's terrifying and my ears are still ringing from the sound. Now, to my favorite feature, the advanced self-cleaning. This is a UV sterilization that automatically cleans the antimicrobial nozzle after every use for 3 minutes. It also comes with a pre-installed integrated steel mesh water filter, guaranteed to spray the purest water towards your most sensitive parts. Cloud by TUSHY also includes an attached remote performance console right at your fingertips to let you fully customize your experience. Last but not least, it also has a night light, so you can even have a seamless bathroom experience in the dark. Now that's a superior pooping and cleaning experience. Real quick, both models are meant for elongated toilets only. So if you're looking for an electric model but have a round toilet seat, the TUSHY Ace 2.0 might be the one for you, as it's our only electric seat available for round toilet shape. How can it even get superior? Yep, we're gaining altitude with Cloud Plus by TUSHY, the deluxe next level e-bidet that also fully replaces your pre-existing toilet seat. Cloud Plus has the same bells and whistles as Cloud. You've got your ergonomic heated seat, warm water, front and back wash, warm air dryer, soft close lid and seat, UV sterilization, integrated water filter, night light, no need to blind yourself in the middle of the night, plus an automatic deodorizer. Yes, you heard that right. Air is automatically pulled through a carbon filter for 3 minutes when seated. That'll save you a courtesy flush for sure. You and I both know toilets stink. But not anymore. The Cloud Plus also includes an intelligent remote that intuitively retains user settings. This comes with a mounting dock as well, for you to choose any spot on the wall for your remote to live. And that's cruising altitude with Cloud Plus, baby. By the way, before we get into the installs and how to choose between the bidets, we have a playlist with videos on all of our bidets, so check that out if you're still shopping. So, the main difference between these two stellar cloudy bidets will be that they have all the same sky-high features except the deodorizer and a separate remote that comes with the Cloud Plus. Cloud by TUSHY does not have a deodorizer, and the control panel is attached to the seat itself on the right. Both are great though, so how to choose which is right for you? Ask yourself these questions. First, is deodorizing important to you? Does your bathroom have a window that welcomes a refreshing breeze, or do you need a little assistance clearing the air? This is also a good time to remind you that TUSHY has a refreshing suite of scents that will transform your space into a fragrant oasis. You can check out HelloTushy's bathroom spray, toilet spray, and soy wax candle in 4 refreshing scents that will eliminate odor before it enters the air. All right, back to the questions to ask yourself. Second, what does your bathroom layout allow? If you have space to the right of your toilet for a control panel, maybe Cloud by TUSHY is the way to go. Or maybe you prefer a streamlined seat and have space on a wall or cabinet for Cloud Plus's intelligent remote. In terms of installation, both Cloud and Cloud Plus have an effortless DIY-friendly setup and can seamlessly integrate into your bathroom space with our step-by-step instruction manual. Install just takes under 10 minutes. Lastly, a good question to ask yourself is, what is your budget? All right, that's pooping among the clouds, my friends. Please remember that Cloud and Cloud Plus by TUSHY are designed for elongated toilet bowls only. If you aren't sure what toilet bowl shape you have, we have a compatibility quiz and round versus elongated toilet guide at HelloTushy.com. And the TUSHY team is available to help. You can reach them directly at fit@hellotushy.com. They've got all the potty knowledge. And if you're worried about not loving it, don't worry. All purchases have 30-day hassle-free returns to upgrade your bathroom risk-free. Let us know in the comments if you have questions and if you love gut, butt, and poop health. Definitely subscribe because we're posting tons of videos on just that. See you in the next video. I hope to see you there.